Good afternoon guys, we are here today to check out the 2021 Compass. And no, it's not just a facelift, it's a major redesigning. As you see up front, you get a new 7-slot grille that looks great and it's finished in this lovely silver finish. Down here you have a new bumper with a new ADAM and a lovely mesh, honeycomb mesh finish for the air inlet down. Also nice is this silver splitter up down which looks great. The LED headlights have been redesigned nicely and they look great with this new DRL, which is very welcoming from the earlier car. But that's your main projector, and down here you have the fog lamps. It's a bit placed a bit high, could have been better down, but provides good visibility up ahead. Coming to the side again, you see nothing much has changed, but you do get this new 18-inch alloy wheels that get this black and silver piano finish, diamond cut finish that looks great. Other than that, the car is basically the same. You get this new silver finish for the mirrors, and that continues into the roof as well. And you have a small silver finish down here into the side panel as well. Coming to the back, again nothing much has changed. The Jeep logo is now finished in silver. You have a 4x4 badge, and it tells you that this is a new Ash Vision, which is the top of the line trim. Also new is this LED treatment for the tail lights, and again a silver finish for the spoiler. Also new is tailgate that can be opened with a touch of a button. When it opens, you see there's a huge boot space with enough space to store your luggage, and you have a splitting option while your space saver sits down here, while your spare tire sits down here, which neatly tucked in. Also to close the boot, again you can close it electrically. The press of a button, the tailgate goes down. So that's about the changes on the outside. Let's check out on the inside. Talking about the interior, again there's a complete redesign that has been done on the inside. You get this lovely large 10-inch touchscreen that it looks great. It's kind of freestanding and it has a lot of information. You get everything right from music to your comfort and everything connect to your phone. You even got wireless Android Auto, then you got Uconnect, and you have a host of features. Let's get into reverse. You can see it's a large 360-degree camera which gives you two views, and you can choose between the different displays again to see. You even got a front-facing camera, so if you are parking in the market, you need to park closer. You can see here again, so that's also great. And that's how the rear camera works. Also new is this dashboard. It looks amazing with this lovely soft touch material here, and you got even soft touch on the higher panel which looks great. Down here you have this lovely silver metal like finish that also looks nice. What else? You have a sliding armrest here that is also nice, and twin cup holders along with a wireless charging pad as well. Here is the new mode selector where you can choose between auto, snow and sand or mud when driving off-road. As you know, since it's the top of the line, it comes with 4-wheel drive, so you can choose between the different modes, and you have an electronic parking brake. Down here you have your auto hold and 4 low and all your off-roading modes, which is nice. And let me come to the main highlight, the steering wheel. This steering wheel has been completely redesigned and it looks so much premium. If you see from far, even this panel, though it's a hard plastic, it looks like soft touch from far and gives you the very premium feeling. You got plenty of controls here. And coming to the other point, the instrument cluster, you got different views, and here you have a kind of it's a digital thing with an analog layout which looks nice and gives you plenty of information as well. Otherwise, you got powered seats up here. You can move and adjust the seat with a touch of a button. That's the same on the co-passenger side as well. And on the features front, you got ventilated seats up front. That's really a great addition. Also new is this panoramic sunroof, which can be opened by the touch of a button and can enjoy the air out ahead. Talking about the gearbox, this is a 9-speed automatic which is offered on the top of the line trim. So that's about the changes on the front. Let's go check out the back. Talking about the back seat again, nothing much has changed. You get the same levels of comfort, and if you really move the seat, you get plenty of space here as well. But you got new AC vents that are really large and will really channel air into you more than what we get today, which are kind of like leg vents. You can traverse the air into your legs. You got an illuminated charging socket here, and another socket down which is again illuminated to probably charge your laptop and other things. Also here you got this drop down armrest with cup holders, and again the panoramic sunroof gives you a really great view of the car. Talking about the engine option, this is a 2-liter turbo diesel with 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, while you also get a 1.4-liter petrol with 163 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. The transmission side, you get a 7-speed DCT, a 9-speed automatic and a 6-speed manual. So that was a quick walk around on the new Jeep Compass. Let us know what more you want to know about the car in the comment section below. Till then, this is Achilles signing off for MotoGo.